Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your construction equipment rental business. If you offer construction equipments on rent, then managing all the tools availability and booking updates can be a very time consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for construction equipment rental business, and before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general message like hi, and immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Build Right Rentals. We offer reliable construction equipment for rent, fast, simple, and on WhatsApp." And it has provided us 3 options, so I'm going to select the first one that says equipments available. And it has provided us with all the available equipment list, such as mini excavator, concrete mixer, scaffolding set, jackhammer, dumping truck, plate compactor, tower crane, etc. Next, I'm going to select the second option that says book a rental. And it is asking for equipment name, so I'm going to respond with jackhammer. And it responds us with please share rental start and end date. So I'm going to respond with rental start and end date like this. And it responds us with we have received your details as jackhammer. This given start and end date, we will confirm your booking ASAP. Lastly, I'm going to respond with view my invoice. And it responds us with a dummy invoice to download. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for construction equipment rental business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So I have named it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Construction Equipment Rental Business. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and to use regex, you have to add a specific pattern, which is this. Now this regex will activate the chatbot with any given keyword. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template. When you click on it, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate my first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message like this. It will look like this to the user, and here I've added these little star signs as it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Now with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each one, so let's begin with equipments available. And for this, I'm going to access the text button from here, and here I'm going to add all the available equipments like this. And again, I'm going to add little star signs here to make it appear bold. And it will appear like this to the user. Next, I'm going to curate a response for book a rental, and for this, I have to access action button, and then I'm going to access ask question box. I will put it here and link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I'm going to add all the details for booking. And here we are asking for equipment name, and in the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select text. And here you can provide multiple number of attempts. I'm going to provide 3, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to add another question box, and here I'm going to ask for rental start and end date. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button like this. And it will appear like this to the user. Here we have added $name and $date because these two are our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual name and date sent by the user. Next, I'm going to move on to the last option that says view my invoice. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add the invoice of the previous order if there's any. Here we have added invoice of their previous order, which will appear like this to the user. So this is how we have created WhatsApp chatbot for construction equipment rental business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.